Here I have BLACKBERRY Z30 and let me show you how to add the password protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me use my home screen. Let's find and select the settings right here. Let's scroll down and let me choose security and privacy right here, then select device password, the second option. And here you have some important information. Let's activate device password right here by using that switcher, and let's input the password. It could be for example 1234 in my case, the simplest one. Tab OK, and you can also choose the time when the device will log your device with a password. So let's switch it from 30 minutes to 1 minute in my case. Of course, if you would like to now change some settings about your password, you have to enter your password just for confirmation. So let me do it, 1234, and that's it. The device has a password and it will be logged after 1 minute. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.